Hello everybody, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a Fabric server for Minecraft Java version 1.21.5. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to your web browser, and I will have links in the description if you need them. But all you want to do here is go to your search bar and you want to type in Fabric Minecraft like so. From there, you'll see fabricmc.net here. Just click on Fabric here, and this will bring you to the Fabric homepage. Now, all you want to do is click the blue download button, and then you want to click the blue download for Windows button here. And you now have the Fabric installer. So all you want to do now is simply go ahead and go to a new tab, and you only need to do this if you can't run the server. So basically, you want to have Java on your Windows computer, and that is JDK24, that's the latest update of Java from now. And you'll see oracle.com here, Java downloads, and all you want to do here is simply click the link and click accept all. I will have this website linked in the description if you need it, but basically you want to scroll down and you'll see JDK24, select Windows, select x64 installer for a simple download and install, and you will see the link that you have to download. Then you just go through the prompts and you'll be able to have Java on your computer. But if you have everything sorted out, you can close your web browser and you can go ahead and go to a folder which you want to create to have all your server files in a nice and easy to understand area. So what I mean by that is you have to go ahead and right click somewhere. It can be on your desktop, it can be in your downloads, in your documents, anywhere. And you want to go ahead and go to new folder. And here, for example, we can call it Fabric Server. The name doesn't really matter. And you just want to click anywhere, this will save, and it will look like this, right? So you now have a new folder, which you can go in, and this is where all your server files will be to have a nice and simple to understand thing. And so, for example, if you actually run this in your downloads, you might download new files, and it will be everywhere, it might conflict as well. Having a simple to understand folder is great. So basically, all you want to do now is simply go ahead and go to your downloads folder. Here you want to select and copy the Fabric installer, and then you want to go to the top left arrow to go back to your previous folder which you created and click paste. Now you have the Fabric installer in the Fabric server folder or anything you made, and what you want to do here is just double click and this will just load up the Fabric installer. And here all you want to do is go to server and it will select the path of the .exe file for Fabric installer, and here you want to make sure it is 1.25, and if it is, just click install. And here it will say no valid server jar found. What this means is that you actually need to get yourself the server jar to run Minecraft. The way this works is that you just need to go to download server jar, and this just downloads you the server jar for it. There you go. Valid 1.1.5 server jar found. Amazing. And all you want to do here is click done. And now all you want to do is close everything, and from there you have a server.jar here. So all you want to do is simply go ahead and just double click the server.jar file, and this will load up all of this. Once you arrive to the eula.txt step, all you want to do is go ahead and double click the text file, and it will say false. So all you want to do here is change false by true, like so. And then you want to go ahead and save the file. And now all you want to do is go ahead and go to Fabric Server Launch. So basically, you clicked one of these, well, it brought up EULA, awesome. But now you want to click Fabric Server Launch, well. So this is the one you want to focus on. This is the vanilla one, this is the Fabric Server Launch. So just double click this, and this will just bring up everything, like so. And you'll see a mods folder. That's how you know it worked, because Fabric is used to have mods on servers. And if you have that folder here, it means you're good. So here we have a little Java thing that showed up, and we see that our server is done. So that means you can go ahead and go to Minecraft here, the Minecraft launcher, and you can go ahead and just open up Minecraft 1.25. So here we have Minecraft 1.25. And all you want to do here is click play. And also, if you have mods, for example, you can go ahead and add a mod here. You can go ahead and install Fabric to your computer and add the same mod to your device. And you'll be able to have mods on the server as well as your computer, which is how you use mods in multiplayer. But basically, once you have Minecraft here, all you want to do is go ahead and go to multiplayer, and to join a server to see if it worked, you want to go to add server, you want to go to server address, and if you're using the same computer, you're going to do 4 zeros of a dot in between here, and you'll see a server here. And if you're using another computer on the same network, you can go ahead and go to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet settings here, and you'll see something like this. Basically, all you want to do is simply go and scroll down, and you will see that we have some IPv4 addresses here, and all you want to do is copy this one. This is your device's IP. You want to copy your device's IP, which is running the server on if you're using a different server. And then you can go ahead and go back to Minecraft, you add server, paste it in, and you have the same thing. Now, when it comes to port forwarding, I will have in the description a tutorial to how to port forward, and you'll basically have to use this with your router and then use your public IP address. But that's kind of how you want to do for local, and when it comes to port forwarding, it's a whole lot of things, so you might want to use this video if you're interested in that. So basically, here we have our server, and we see that we joined the game here. We also show up here, and yeah, that is kind of how we create a Minecraft Java Fabric server. We can also do F3 here. We can see that we are using a Fabric server as well. That's another way you can know if it worked or not. But basically, yeah, that is how you have a Minecraft Java server that you can use Fabric mods on. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you for the next one. Bye!